Yo. My friend Mark D'Elia here, out of New York. We're down here in Indiana.
Here we are, in the heat.
Yeah. Mark brings everything in a van. He's a real crafty character when he comes to the track. Carries multiple go-karts in the van, and I don't blame him.
And a stand.
Yeah, and a stand. He's got this lift-up stand that's pretty cool. Put the cart on there and run the handle down, and up pops the cart on the stand. Gets it all in this van. What do you think, Mark? How much longer are we doing this, you and me?
If we keep turning the heat up like this, I can't do much more.
I know it. That's you know, that's why I brought simple, easy stuff.
Yeah.
Stuff I don't have to work on much. We do all this videotaping. I don't have time to be fixing stuff if I'm going to do this. And at our age, we've reserved the right to run whatever we want.
Yesterday, I went to the Air Force Museum.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Good. Well, okay, where was that at?
That's in Dayton, Ohio.
Oh, in Dayton? Okay.
It's 4 hangars full of planes.
Wow.
Everything imaginable. From World War I up to spacecraft.
Okay.
They got rockets in there.
Mm-hmm.
Got stealth. They got the stealth stuff.
Sure.
Everything.
Yeah. Well, if you're going to make a trip, you might as well make it enjoyable and see something besides just the go-kart race.
Yeah. It was great.
Yeah.
The whole day.
Yeah. Yeah. Awesome.
All right. That's my newest ride there.
Okay.
We'll call it 75.
All right. So Mark runs a lot of the historic class.
Yeah.
And I did not bring a historic kart this year, but I've run the historic kart here the last 2 times I've been here. Probably should have brought one this time too.
Remember, I bought the Chaparral new when I was a kid.
Yes.
And never got rid of it.
Yeah. Yeah. You and, well, like Jerry Nagel's been showing one at the kart show that he got under the Christmas tree when he was 12 years old, you know, and here he is. Jerry's a few months younger than I am at 78. He's still got his original go-kart, you know, and here's Mark. How old are you, Mark, now?
I'm 73.
73. Yeah. He's got his original go-kart in what year?
That's like a 68. That's a 68 Chaparral.
Okay. Nice.
That was the last of my 4 go-karts.
Okay.
I started out with Fox kart, then a Bug very similar to this one, Wasp, and then an A-bone, Dart A-bone, and then the Chaparral. And I just put it in the basement. My father wrapped it all up, stayed in plastic for like 30 years.
Wow.
And then 2000, I brought it out to the first vintage kart race.
Yeah. Neat. You know,
25 years of vintage karting.
Yeah, yeah. It's you know, one of those neat things. I mean, we got all these. Everybody's got a story to tell.
Yeah.
Everybody's got something.